Hello children, welcome to the online teaching session of class 5. Today I will teach you the chapter 14 in social studies, the word from 1914 to 1945. These are the Nobel Prize awardees, their pictures are given, you have to write the names. Now I will begin the chapter. Listen. The first half of the 20th century changed the course of world history. 2 world wars were fought that caused huge devastation and loss of human life and materials. Entire cities had to be rebuilt. The world prayed for peace. The First World War. The First World War, also called the Great War, lasted from 28 July 1914 to 11 November 1918. Many countries were involved in it. It was fought between 2 blocs, the Allied powers and the Central powers. In Allied powers there were Britain, France, Russia, Italy, USA, Japan, and Central powers Germany, Austria-Hungary, Ottoman Empire and Bulgaria. Now, what caused the war? In the 2 decades preceding the First World War, countries were competing against each other to develop and acquire weapons. Countries were also forming political and military alliances to protect themselves. The atmosphere in Europe was very tense. Then, on 28 June 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand, heir to the throne of Austria-Hungary, was assassinated by a Serbian. Soon, Austria declared war on Serbia. As most countries had already formed alliances, they joined in to protect their allies. How was the war fought? Battles were fought in different countries. In Europe, the fighting took place along the Western Front, France-Belgium side, and along the Eastern Front, Russia side. The war was mostly fought from trenches. Soldiers dug open tunnels in the ground. They hid in them and fired from them. Machine guns and heavy artillery were used extensively. Tanks and poison gas were used for the first time. German submarines called U-boats sank many ships of the Allied powers. India supported Britain in the hope that Britain would grant her self-government after the war. Indian soldiers fought in Europe, in Africa, and in West Asia. When did the war end? The war ended in November 1918. The Allied powers emerged victorious. Both sides signed an armistice. The interwar years. After the war, a peace conference was held in Paris. The Treaty of Versailles was signed between Germany and the Allied powers. Germany was blamed for the war and severely punished. The main terms of the treaty were as follows. Germany would have to pay a very heavy fine. It could not increase its military forces. Some of its territory were to be occupied by the Allied powers. The First World War shook the world. To prevent such a war in future, the League of Nations was formed. Its objective was to settle disputes between countries and maintain world peace. The years after the war were hard for the people of Europe. Then came the Great Depression in 1929. Trade suffered, factories and banks closed down, and millions of people lost their jobs. The effects were particularly severe in Europe and America. The formation of the League of Nations did not bring peace to Europe. The period saw the rise of the 2 dictators, Benito Mussolini in Italy and Adolf Hitler in Germany. Hitler was the more ambitious of the 2. He became the chancellor in 1933. His ambition to turn Germany into superpower plunged the world into another world war. Now, checkpoint. Whose assassination led to the outbreak of the First World War? The answer is Franz Ferdinand. What were Germans' submarines called? U-boats. Which peacekeeping body was formed after the First World War? That is League of Nations instead of United Nations. To which country did Adolf Hitler belong? Germany. So, in the third one you will write League of Nations. So children, thank you and have a nice